Dear students, welcome to the lecture on Advanced Calculus and Numerical Methods. So in this lecture, I am going to discuss examples related to the divergence, gradient and curl. Example number 1. Find the divergence of the vector f, curl of the vector f for the vector point function f is equal to del of x y cube z square at the points 1, -1, 1. So first we have to find the f vector from the given del of x y cube z square. So where f is given by what? Del of x y cube z square. So where this del is nothing but gradient of this function. So I can take this function as the scalar function pi. So I'll be taking pi is equal to x y cube z square. So hence we can conclude that the given equation of the form f is equal to del pi. So where this del pi is given by what? Dou pi by dou x I cap plus dou pi by dou y j cap plus dou pi by dou z k cap by using the gradient formula. So if I find dou pi by dou x, I'll be getting what? So differentiating this one with respect to x, I'll be getting y cube z square into I cap plus dou pi by dou y is nothing but differentiating this pi function with respect to y, I'll be getting 3xy square z square into j cap. Dou pi by dou z is given by differentiating this function pi with respect to z, I'll be getting 2xy cube z k cap. So hence I got the f vector like y cube z square I cap plus 3xy square z square j cap plus 2xy cube z k cap. So now from this one I want to estimate the value of div f and curl of f. So the formula for div f is given by what? Del dot f, the del vector dot with the f vector. So del is given by dou by dou x I cap plus dou by dou y j cap plus dou by dou z k cap dot with f vector is given by y cube z square I cap plus 3xy square z square j cap plus 2xy cube z k cap. So since here dot is there, I am multiplying I with I, j with j, k with k. I'll be getting dou by dou x of y cube z square plus dou by dou y of 3xy square z square plus dou by dou z of 2xy cube z. So on differentiating this function with respect to x, x term here, it will be 0. Differentiating this one with respect to y, I'll be getting 6xyz square. Differentiating this one with respect to z, I'll be getting 2xy cube. So given points are x is equal to 1, y is equal to -1, z is equal to 1. If I replace these points in the divergence of f, so I'll be getting divergence of f at the points p of 1, -1, 1 will be 6 into 1, -1, 1 square plus 2 into 1, -1 square. So on simplifying this equation further, I'll be getting -6 -2. So divergence of f will be equal to -8. I will get it. Similarly, I'm going to find the value of curl f. So curl f is given by the formula, the determinant of ijk, dou by dou x, dou by dou y, dou by dou z. So here y cube z square, I mean the coefficient of I. Here 3x square y cube z square, I mean the coefficient of j. Here 2xy cube z, the coefficient of k. So on expanding this determinant, I'll be getting what? I into dou by dou y of 2xy cube z minus dou by dou z of 3x square y cube z square. I'll be getting what? 6xy square z minus 6xy cube z into I cap. Next with j coefficient, it is minus of dou by dou x of this equation, it will be 2y cube z minus dou by dou z of this one, I'll be getting 2y cube z into j cap. Again with the k coefficient, it is given by dou by dou x of 3x square y cube z square. It will be equal to what? 3y square z square. Sorry, it will be and also again from this one I'll be getting dou by dou y of this equation. I'll be getting 3y square z square into j cap. So we can cancel all these equations here. So it will be equal to 0i plus 0j plus 0k. The answer will be curl f is equal to 0. I got it. One more example. If f is equal to gradient of x cube plus y cube plus z square minus 3xyz, then find divergence of f and curl f. So this problem also same as the previous problem. They have given f is equal to gradient of the some function. So I will be taking pi is equal to this function now, x cube plus y cube plus z cube minus 3xy. So if I replace pi here, I'll be getting f is equal to grad pi. So the formula for grad pi is given by dou pi by dou x I cap, dou pi by dou y j cap plus dou pi by dou z k cap. So on differentiating pi with respect to x, I will be getting 3 times of x square minus yz I cap. For dou pi by dou y, I will be getting 3 of y square minus zx j cap. For dou pi by dou z, I will be getting 3 of z square minus xy k cap. So then, hence the divergence of f is given by del dot f. We have the formula. So del will be given by dou x I cap plus dou y j cap plus dou z k cap dot with f vector, that is 3 times of x square minus yz I cap plus 3 times of y square minus zx j cap plus 3 times of z square minus xy k cap. Since it is dot product, I am going to multiply I with I, j with j, k with k. So I will be getting the equation like 6x plus 6y plus 6z. So after multiplying the equations I with I, j with j, k with k, I will be getting what? Dou x of 3x square minus yz plus dou y of 3y square minus zx plus dou z of 3z square minus xy. So on differentiating this, I'll be getting 6x plus 6y plus 6z. Since here 6 is common factor, I can take dou f is equal to 6 times of x plus y plus z is the required solution. Similarly, curl f. So curl f is given by ijk, dou x, dou y, dou z, 3 times of x square minus yz, 3 times of y square minus zx, 3 times of z square minus xy. So now on expanding this determinant, I'll be getting minus 3x plus 3x into I cap, minus of minus 3y plus 3y into j cap, plus minus 3z plus z into k cap. It will be equal to what? 0. I'll get it. So hence I got the curl f value is 0 here. So show that f is equal to xi plus yj by x square plus y square is a solenoidal and irrotational vector. So f is given by what? Xi plus yj by x square plus y square. So on expanding this equation, I'll be getting f is equal to what? X by x square plus y square I cap plus y by x square plus y square j cap plus 0 k cap. So again, on expanding the div of the vector function f formula, I'll be having the formula like del dot f. It is given by dou x I cap, dou y j cap plus dou z k cap dot with x square plus y square I cap plus y by x square plus y square j cap plus 0 k cap. So since your dot is there, multiplying I with I, j with j, k with k, I'll be getting dou x of x by x square plus y square plus dou y of y by x square plus y square plus dou z of 0. So now to simplify this one, we have to use quotient rule. It is given by what? First I'm keeping v term as it is. I mean the denominator I'm keeping as it is here. X square plus y square I'm keeping as it is. Differentiating x with respect to x, I will be getting 1 here. Minus of keeping the numerator as it is. Differentiating x square plus y square with respect to x, I will be getting 2x divided by x square plus y square whole square. Same thing here also. I'll be getting x square plus y square minus 2y square by x square plus y square whole square. So on simplifying this equation further, I'll be getting y square minus x square by x square plus y square whole square plus x square minus y square by x square plus y square whole square. It will be equal to what? Y square minus x square plus z x square minus y square by x square plus y square whole square. It will be equal to 0. Hence I can conclude that the given vector f is a solenoidal vector. Similarly, I'm going to show that f is a irrotational. So for that, I want to find the curl f is equal to 0. So take the formula for curl f. It is given by I, j, k, dou x, dou y, dou z, x by x square plus y square, y by x square plus y square with 0. So on expanding this determinant, I'll be getting 0 minus 0i plus 0 minus 0j plus minus 2xy by x square plus y square by whole square. This can be obtained by using quotient rule from this one. Plus 2xy by x square plus y square whole square. This is from this equation. Same by using quotient rule only. Into k cap. So on simplifying this further, I'll be getting curl f is equal to 0. So since curl f is equal to 0, we can say the f is an irrotational vector. Next problem. Show that the vector field f is equal to x square minus yz I cap plus y square minus zx j cap plus z square minus xy k cap is an irrotational vector. So for that also, I want to show that curl f is equal to 0. So given f is equal to what? X square minus yz I cap plus y square minus zx j cap plus z square minus xy k cap. So take the formula for curl f. It is given by what? The determinant of ijk, dou x, dou y, dou z, x square minus yz, y square minus zx, z square minus xy. So on expanding this determinant, I will be getting minus x plus x I cap minus y plus y j cap plus minus z plus z k cap. It will be equal to 0i plus 0j plus 0k. I got 0 vector. So hence I can say the vector f also irrotational vector. Thank you.